It's a sound test of my 2013 Triumph Street Triple with Coffmans exhaust. All right, let's fire this thing up.